Are your smart glasses not connecting to the app, or maybe they are not responding properly? Before you think about replacing them, try this simple factory reset that can fix most common issues instantly. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to factory reset your Meta smart glasses. But keep in mind, a factory reset will erase all photos and videos stored on your glasses, and you will need to pair them again with the Meta AI mobile app. So make sure to back up anything important before proceeding. First, fold both arms of your glasses completely closed. Now locate the capture button on your glasses. Press this capture button 5 times quickly until you see the notification LED turn orange. Once the LED turns orange, press and hold the capture button again and keep holding it until the notification LED starts flashing. As soon as it begins flashing, release the button and wait patiently. You will now notice the LED cycling through the white and then blue light. Once the LED turns off completely, your factory reset is successfully completed and ready to be paired again with your Meta AI mobile app. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and setup guide. Thank you.